Hey y'all, glad you came by. Today we're going to saw this 20-inch poplar. That's the small end because that's all the lumber you get is what's on the small end. And we're using a Woodmaster double hard 747 blade. Doing pretty good on this log. Hope you stick with us. This little log fell over in a windstorm. Pretty bad little storm. Got several logs out of it. We'll be sawing all summer. Carol's helped me bring a saw back there, but she hadn't turned the blade off. It was kind of running on the wood. Going to use our winch we rigged up there on the beam across the top to roll this one over. These pretty big logs are kind of hard to handle for an old man. This chain idea is not really working out so good either. I got a hook over hanging on a post. I believe we'll try it the next time. The side supports on this little sawmill is kind of short too. When you only turn them 90 degrees, it's kind of hard to get things to come out with a square cant. Sometimes it looks square, but when you finish sawing, it's not really very square. Kind of get things centered up there on the pith so the boards come out about right. I'm going to clean me a path for the band again. There's a lot of dirt in these logs. I got dull of band in just a jiffy, so I try to keep things clean. Gonna take these slabs back there and put them on the roller table, and we'll slice them into firewood for the maple syrup in the spring. That cut took a long time. I believe I probably better change bands here and get back into action. That wasn't too hard to roll, was it? Maybe I'm not as old as I thought I was. Seems like that took a long time to get ready to go, but we're about ready to put her in the wood here. I'm going to saw a little more. That new band did wonders. Man, this thing's sawing real good now. Y'all stuck with us this far, you must be having a little bit of fun. Why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe? It's free, and you know you want to. Those logs, I believe, are getting a little easier to turn. I must have had my Wheaties this morning. That really is kind of showing my age. I don't even know if they still make Wheaties. I haven't seen a commercial in probably 50 years. See that V shape on both ends of that log? That's because of the sweep in it had a little crook. That's why the boards need to come off another way than they're coming off right now. Now the boards are going to come off right. They will tend to bow and not crook. And the bow's a lot easier to handle when you're trying to build this thing. I'm going to put these boards on the back of the prowler and take them off all of them out there at one time. It's a lot easier to handle than a tractor. Of course, if I put them on the tractor forks, I could go ahead and sticker them right now, and then I just have to lay them on the pallet out there to dry. So maybe it's just about as hard one way as another. there's that old hem again. We're getting pretty close to the end here. We're gonna have to edge a few more. Really glad you came along. We'll hope you'll come back again sometime. We really appreciate you watching. Well, that's it for that log. We got 80 board feet of nice wide poplar boards that would be really nice to make some kind of furniture with, maybe.